Hello elegant ladies and welcome to my channel. My name is Rafaela and every Tuesday I post videos about elegance, beauty and personal development. So if you want to learn how to become more elegant, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. In this video I want to give you some tips on how to choose an elegant bag. And at the end I will share with you my top 3 elegant handbags recommendations. There are some general rules when choosing an elegant bag. First of all, it doesn't have to be designer. On the contrary, you should avoid big and flashy logos because it will seem like you are trying to show off, and that may look a little bit tacky. So to be elegant, discretion is best. Quality is very important, so pay attention to the material, to the stitches, the details, etc. Choose bags that are carefully sewn and are made from high quality leather. Also, make sure that the details are well made. Trendy is not elegant, so avoid trending pieces that won't be in fashion in a couple of months. Rather opt for classic, timeless designs. Less is more, and as I've mentioned before, discretion is an elegant lady's best friend. So choose a simple bag and you for sure will not go wrong with it. To build your bag collection, I would recommend you to start with a medium-sized bag, and the color, well, it depends on your wardrobe's general color. I chose a light colored bag since I like to wear mostly light colored clothes. But in general, a dark color, especially black, is the best choice. Ideally, it would be to have at least 2 options, a light colored bag and a darker one. Regarding the size, well, it depends on your day-to-day activities, but in general, I recommend you to choose medium to small sized bags because they will make you look much more feminine. I know we tend to fill our bags with necessary stuff and feel like it's never enough space, but think for a second, do you really need all those things? But I guarantee you that you will not use not even half of them, so make sure to take with you only the bare minimum or what you know that you will surely need. This way your bag will not become a black hole, because I'm sure that it happened to you too at least once to lose your keys in the bag. Am I right? This is what I usually keep in my bag. Phone, keys, some money and my card, antibacterial wipes, hand cream, lipstick, lip balm, and that's pretty much it. I don't need a large bag to keep all these things. Now let's get to my list of top 3 elegant handbags. Quilted bag, handlebags, and finally simple flap bags. So this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, make sure to press that like button and subscribe and help this channel grow. You can also find me on my Instagram page, The Elegant Lady. Thank you so much for watching, ladies, and I'll see you in my next video.